What a day! मौसम था क्रेजी, दिन था संडे और लोकेशन थी देहरादून एंड दोस्तों का प्लान बन गया टू गो फॉर अ रोड ट्रिप. हम लोग ने रैंडमली एक लोकेशन चूज करी नियर देहरादून. सो स्टे ट्यून विथ अस फॉर अ जर्नी टू क्लाउड्स एंड मसूरी. And guys, video pura dekhna because this destination has quite some history. A Britisher, Major Edmund Sweetenham, built the Cloudin bungalow in 1838 for his beautiful mountain bride. Her father, a local zamindar, had gifted the estate to him as dowry. ये स्टोरी कुछ इस तरह बताती है कि Sweetenham, during a walk right up to the hills with his fellow company, heard the most melodious singing and followed the voice till it came upon to be a singer. The frightened mountain girl sped home, followed by Major Edmund, that took his father's permission to marry this girl. And shadi ke baad, he received around 400 acres of this estate as dowry. He selected a hill near Multi Tibba to build his house, जो कि first था in Mussoorie. And this house was completed in the spring and summer of 1838 by 500 laborers. 4 generations of the Sweetenhams went to live here. Edmund's tribute to his beloved is the only jungle resort within 300 kilometers of Delhi that is at an altitude of more than 7,000 feet and has 400 acres of private forest area known as the Cloud End Estate. The Sweetenhams moved back to England in 1964 and उसके बाद से the 400-acre Cloud End Estate was bought from them as a summer retreat for his family by Mr. Durga Ram Agrawal. Mr. Digvijay Agarwal inherited the estate from him and in 1991 started the resort with the support and assistance of his wife, the late Mrs. Bhavna Agrawal. It was a conscious decision on their part to make the resort as self-reliant as possible, and it ran on harvested rainwater, solar and wind energy till late. The bungalow still retains the original architecture, furniture, paintings, books and other memories of a bygone era. The surrounding 2,000 acre of forest of oak and deodar teems with 44 species of flora and 103 species of fauna. ये family run resort deeply planned and carved out here with an inventory of 4 heritage deluxe suites along with 6 deluxe rooms and an independent log cottage with 2 cabins and 10 huts. A 40-seated restaurant, Rose Diner with a 320-degree view of the Himalayas on the east and the Doon Valley and the Winter of Line in the west, with the Deodar Forest in the north. The estate has numerous nature trails, hikes and treks within and around it. Most popular ones are Binog Hill, Dudli Village and the Bhadraj Temple. And with this comes the end of this beautiful trip, and I am totally relaxed, bro. My fam, I would genuinely recommend कि अपना काम, धंधा, stress, tension सब छोड़ के just come to this resort and have a precious time with Mother Nature and heal yourself. ये वीडियो अपने फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना so that they can know about this location too and they can visit there. And if you're coming here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot. Take care, guys. Have fun. I'm going to see you in another one. Peace out.